Welcome back to What She's Doing. This week, I need to do an oil change on my truck. Well, you know that pesky light on your dash that says maintenance required? Yep, time for an oil change. And what better time than right before winter? The cold makes your engine oil thicker, and it's not really good for the viscosity and the movement of the oil. So yeah, oil change it is. Man, it's cold today. Winter is upon us. First I gotta unbooby trap the garage door. Later I'm headed to pick up a rim I found on Marketplace for 15 bucks. So yeah. I don't know how it can be so cold. This thing. I guess there's a bird. Chirp, 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 chirp. First thing I do. Can lay down some cardboard. A couple winters ago, I was out here tearing down the Volkswagen. It was snowing outside and I was in here just, you know, tinkering away. Before it gets any colder, I'm grabbing my tools. I'm going to take the skid plate off. So like I said, like cold weather makes your oil thicker. So the viscosity is not good when it's thick. I'm just gonna open up the oil filler neck. I don't even have to jack up the truck. I got skid plate. Hold it with my knees. It's easier to get off. One time I was driving and Toyota forgot to put my screws in or something, and I caught onto a palm tree frond, and let's just say I was dragging my skid plate and a giant palm tree. Step one. Alright, let's drain the oil. Got my oil pan and my cardboard. Here's my oil filter. And then I like it. It looks dry under here. That's really good. So what's the best view? How do I show you? I guess. All right. There's only one way. And that's down. Woo! Smells good. It's not burnt. Let's get a closer look. Kind of dark though. It was needing a change. Well, my beanie fell off. Nice. Now I gotta get the oil filter. Well, let's try and get that off. In my bag, I have like, I don't know. I don't remember which one goes to which car anymore. I should probably open up a zip pit in here. Oh, I get one more. Is that the wrong? That would be the one. All right. My beanie keeps falling off, so don't mind my hair. All right, let's see if I can get it. Let's see if I can get it into the pan. You see that? While that is draining, I'm gonna go grab the oil and start filling up. Alright, let's go put this back in. Alright, let's put the drain plug back in. I'm gonna wipe it down first. I don't know if you've watched my videos lately, but I seem to see like some kind of light in the background. Does it take to fill up a 4.7 liter? Like 6 quarts. Alright, let's do a half more. Did you know that if you pour it with the nozzle at the top. It doesn't glug. Alright, let's go fire it up, check the level. Go check underneath for some leaks. No leaks. Alright, so let's put the skid plate back on. Sweet. Alright, done with my oil change. Put my tools away. I wonder if my mower will start. Last mow of the season. Hey, that's done. I'm gonna go get ready now so we can go get the rim for the tire. Yee! So what are the chances that the guy had more than one? So I got 4. Now I got some backups in case, you know, whatever happens in the future. Oh well. Well, I picked out one of the best out of the 4, and I'm gonna jack it up and put it on there and see how it does. It's better than flat. Just because I can never accept defeat. So I took, even though the other tire works great, I took the old one. So like I took some soap and I sprayed it around the rim and I scrubbed it down. And then I overinflated it a little bit. And so far, it was leaking right here. I don't see anything. So I may have just fixed the original one. It was just rusty around the bead area, you know, and so I I stepped on it with my foot and used my weight to press it down, and I used my little drill, and I just kind of, you know, like scrubbed the rim a little bit and wiped it down, and here we are. I got it soaped up again, and I do not see any leaks. So I am not defeated. Yeah, just a little TLC, and you can bring anything back to life if you put your efforts into it. So that's pretty cool. Guess I'll be putting that back on, and I'll probably monitor it for leaking. And now I got four extra rims. That's pretty cool. All right, well, maybe I'll mess around with letting it run for a while. I'll have to use maybe a gas can or something, and, you know, just kind of jimmy rig it for a bit till I can get something more reliable. Maybe I can find a boat tank or something I can rig up and then hook up the little fuel pump. Maybe when the weather's better, I can drive it around in my yard for a little bit, and yeah, still kind of excited to drive it. So I was checking on the tire again. Still holding air. Sweet. I'm out here trying to gather all the things so that I can get it going again. So far I got a gas can, and then I got the fuel pump right here, and then I was able to find this fuel filter. And yeah, thanks to the subscriber for telling me to replace the fuel filter. So I got some extra wiring going. I got some gas sitting right here, and yeah, now I just need a fuel line. I gotta go look in my stash. Well, unfortunately, I have to call it on this episode. I have a fuel line, but it's the wrong size. Until I can get some fuel line and some clamps, and maybe a toggle switch so I don't have to unplug the fuel pump every time. And yeah, we'll get this thing running. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. What are you doing?